Take a look at the modern, high-achieving professional woman. Her calendar is color-coded. Her 5 a.m. workout is non-negotiable. Every aspect of her lifestyle is meticulously structured to maintain peak performance in a demanding corporate environment. Yet, despite this optimization, her body begins to rebel. She develops chronic, unexplained digestive issues, bloating, cramping, and symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. She removes gluten and takes daily probiotics, but the pain persists. Workplace wellness programs and medical professionals have long treated these digestive symptoms as isolated dietary problems. The standard procedure is to run an allergy panel or prescribe a new gastrointestinal supplement. Focusing solely on the food sitting on the plate ignores the intense pressure waiting at the desk. High-stress corporate environments trigger a biological cascade that rewires how the digestive system operates. To repair the gut, we have to look at the brain. Modern corporate culture demands an always-on mentality. Navigating complex office dynamics and constant deadlines keeps the body trapped in a sustained, low-grade state of fight or flight. This psychological pressure bridges the gap between the mind and the physical organs through a biological network known as the gut-brain axis. The primary cable is the vagus nerve. This biological superhighway runs from the brain down into the enteric nervous system, which controls the digestive tract. Dense with neurons, it acts as a second brain, constantly pulling data from the brain above. An impending quarterly deadline translates into physical data. The brain beams the stress of the boardroom straight down into the stomach and intestines. When the brain registers a high-stakes environment, it floods the bloodstream with the stress hormones cortisol and adrenaline. Interpreting an email like a predator, the brain diverts blood flow from digestion to the limbs. Gut mechanics fail and contractions become erratic, causing blockages. This stagnation and high cortisol creates a highly inflamed environment, actively attacking and breaking down healthy microbiome bacteria. Workplace pressure effectively dismantles the digestive tract's internal mechanics and chemical balance. The gut-brain axis is a two-way street. The gut receives biological signals from the brain, but it also manufactures chemicals and sends them back up. This chart shows serotonin production, the chemical keeping mood stable. The brain produces just 10%. The gut produces 90%. When stress damages digestion, overall serotonin drops. The gut sends fewer signals back up, starving the brain of the chemical needed to stay calm. Without that steady supply of serotonin, a professional woman loses the chemical resilience required to cope with the career stress that started the cycle. Her risk for burnout accelerates. These digestive issues act as neurological alarm bells, indicating a nervous system buckling under the weight of its environment. Digestive healing requires treating the symptom as an environmental issue. Green juices and supplements cannot counteract a toxic, hyper-stressful work environment. At some point, the only solution is to step away from the desk.